AGM Marketing, this organization that has over 100 staff, that we've grown like crazy, 𝗙𝗢𝗟𝗟𝗢𝗪 all of that is built on this strategy of putting your information out there, all of it.
Opportunity, guys. YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world. Who knows who number one is? Google.
Who knows who owns both?
Yeah. So, right. Yeah, in case you didn't know, which I actually run into, a lot of people don't know that Google owns YouTube. So they help each other out. Your YouTube videos sometimes will show up on Google and get you even more views because, again, they're number one and number two. So if they can keep people on their platforms, they can keep selling their ads and keep making money. So I got this stat as of January of this year. YouTube has 2.3 billion users worldwide, and they have a billion hours of content that is consumed or watched across the world every single day. 1 billion hours. Who wants to guess how much is actually uploaded every day? Anybody? 20 billion? So it's actually 720,000 hours of videos are uploaded. So 1 billion are being consumed, 720 are being uploaded. There's definitely opportunity. The content is high demand. So people are searching for help. People are searching for your business and your products on here.
And the platform is growing still. They're aggressively growing. And the population is also aggressively growing. And the new generation is now becoming old enough to start searching for stuff. So all these things are happening.
Yeah.
So the opportunity, even though it feels like it's old, it really still in its early stages.
Here's some more info for you guys. YouTube is the most used digital video platform in the United States. This is second after Netflix. So more people are using YouTube to consume video online. Okay, in 2021, YouTube watch time on the TVs increased 80% year over year. So in 2020, we obviously experienced, the pandemic. More people are staying home or working from home, or we were forced to stay home, some of us. And, so more people are consuming videos while they're at home. TVs nowadays, they already have YouTube already installed in it, right? You have an app in there. So people are just consuming YouTube videos like in replacing TV and replacing movies and stuff like that. They'll go to YouTube and pass the time on there. So again, huge opportunity here. 90% of people say that they discover new brands or products on YouTube, and this is why we want to urge all of you guys to start your YouTube channel now. People are, before they make a decision and they go and buy something, some product or something, they're going to YouTube to see, has anybody else used this before? What kind of experience, or how does this product work, this gadget, etc.? So they're looking for creative reviews. They're looking for like experience reviews or unboxing reviews. This is like, people get, like a massage gun or something, right? And then you film yourself kind of unboxing it, and people want to see what's the box like. Or, Apple is another one that they put a lot of thought into the packaging and stuff like that and the experience. So people want to know what that's like before they go out and buy it. They're also searching for like interviews or educational videos. I know Manuel has done a lot of podcast interviews and just interviews in general that to this day, and from like years ago and to this day, people still reach out to hire our agencies because they saw him on a certain podcast interview or something like that.
Just to clarify, what Jorge has said, AGM Marketing, this organization that has over 100 staff, that we've grown like crazy, 𝗙𝗢𝗟𝗟𝗢𝗪, all of that is built on this strategy of putting your information out there, all of it. The people that are clients of AGM Marketing are generally people that we have given some value to that end up trusting us. We do not advertise and sell things to people that don't know who we are. So that's what YouTube is. You take your information, you give it away, you give value, you educate, you inspire, you entertain, you whatever the case may be. If you have a software company, if you have a product business, if you have a service, you do that as much as possible, and that comes back to you. They also call that inbound marketing. Outbound is you pick up the phone and call people that have no idea who you are. And you're going to encounter 1 out of every 100 people may be interested in talking to you, but generally you are a spam risk. And the phones are actually right now saying that that caller is actually a spam risk.
Yeah.
Who's getting that right now? Every time somebody calls.
I hate when I get those
You don't
robocalls.
answer those calls anymore, right?
Yeah.
That's outbound marketing. You are looking for prospects that don't know who you are. What we're trying to create here with a YouTube channel, it doesn't matter what your model is. Products, services, software, info products, it doesn't matter. It's an inbound marketing strategy in which you're giving value and then you do very light call to actions. Hey, if you need some marketing help, why don't you call our company? We're going to help you set up your next step or whatever the case may be. As you gain that credibility, as you get that positioning, people trust you, and this is applicable to all of it. Our business, generally, the ones that we work with, Dr. Berg's, Natural Slims, AGM Marketing, all these businesses that we have succeeded with are built on this concept of gaining credibility over people. And the social media world that we live in today is based on this particular exact structure. There's too much competition out there. Too many people out there doing it. The ones that win the game are the ones that are going beyond for their prospects and giving more value, not expecting anything in return, but simply just giving, and in turn getting enough phone calls and attention and sales along the way. So that's why this is so incredibly valuable.